Alright, welcome back guys. My name is Anthony, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money uploading videos. So this is more like a YouTube alternative. Okay, so it is very difficult for people to make money using YouTube because the monetization process is a little bit difficult. You need to have 1,000 subscribers, you need to have 4,000 watch views. But what if I tell you that there is a platform where you can actually upload videos and make money per views? So you don't need to have thousands of subscribers before you start making money. All you have to do is just upload the video and automatically you get monetized. So whenever you get more views, you get paid. And this platform is called Robo. So before I show you how you can actually register an account and also upload videos, first of all, my name is Anthony, and I always teach people how to can make money online. So in case if you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification button, like this video and share this video so that I can actually create more videos for you. Alright, so please subscribe. Now I want to show you how you get paid using this platform. So let me just show you something. Now as you can see, this is Robo. Okay, now content creators on Robo can expect to earn anywhere between $2 to $10 every 1,000 views on their videos. So now if you want your earnings to increase, make sure more of your earnings are coming from US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, and some of these first world countries. So make sure you're having subscribers and viewers from US, UK, and other first world countries. So make sure your audience are coming from these countries. All right, so another thing is that you don't need too much subscribers. All you have to do is just upload the video and automatically you get monetized. So make sure your views are increasing from 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. So that's just your target. All right, so let me just show you how you can actually create an account. Let me come over to this platform right here. So this is Robo. In case if you want to register, just go to the comment section. Okay, the link is on the comment section. So go to the comment section, you will see the link there. Click register and also upload the videos. Okay, so first thing to do is to come over here to name. You add your first name and your second name. Then you come over here to username and add your username, like your nickname. Okay, so come over here, you type your password. You come over here and retype your password. You come over here, you type your email address. You type your email address again. Then you come over here, click your country. You can select any country you want. Come over here to your birthday, and then select your date of birth, the month, the year, and the date. So come over here to referral. You can also add your referral. So in case if you are seeing this referral field, make sure you add Nosovenia as your referral. So just add Nosovenia as your referral. Okay, so adding the name of a referral will also give you the chance to refer other people, and you get 5% commission for their earning. So make sure you type Nosovenia as your referral field. Okay, so come over here, you type in your address. You come to city, you type your city, you type your state, you type your postal code, and you also type your number as well. So you come over here and make sure you click this terms and condition. Okay, so it's very important. Then after that you click register. So I created a new account just today. I created a new account for this tutorial purpose. So let me just show you how your dashboard is going to be when you create a new account. So this is how your dashboard is going to be. All right, as you can see, these are people that have uploaded their videos. This one, Tommy's podcast, it has 8,000 views. This is Alexandra, she has 38,000 views. So let me come over here. This one is doing live gaming. So this one is also doing live gaming. This one is also live gaming. Most of these things are live gaming. Okay, they are live gaming, live gaming, live gaming, live gaming, live gaming. So now if you are the type that likes doing live game, you can actually use this platform. It easily attracts viewers. Okay, so but before you start streaming live, you need to have like 5 subscribers before you start doing live videos, because that's part of your rules. Okay, you need to have 5 subscribers, then your live streaming policy is going to be approved, so you get verified. So if you want to upload video, just click this video icon right here. So you can either upload video or you go live. So I'm just going to click upload video. So when I click upload video, it will direct me to the area where I'm going to select the video. So just come over here, click this icon right here, and then I'm going to select the video. Alright, so I will just click this. So let me just wait for some time, click it again. So let me look for a video that I'm going to upload. Let me scroll down. I don't know the video I'm going to upload right now. Okay, let me use this one for example. Then I will click it. As you can see, it is uploading. So I'll just come over here and write the title. Let me say the title is best video. uh, what do I mean? Best video. Yeah. So come over here, type the description. Let me say the description is best video, blah 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 blah. Just type in anything. Okay. So I'll come over here to category and type the category. So I'm going to select a category as author. You can as well change it in case if you want to. So I'll come over here to second category and click this one. So as you can see, the thumbnail has been automatically uploaded. But in case if you want to add your own thumbnail, just click or choose your own. Just click this or choose your own, then you can add your thumbnail. Thumbnail helps to draw the attention of your audience. So this is tags. Tags is very important, although it's optional, but it's very important. So if it is auto, just click hashtag auto. Okay, then you are good to go. So next thing is to visibility. Make sure you leave it at public so that everyone can see the video. Okay, so make sure you leave it at public. Then when you actually just click upload. Now when you click upload, then your video is going to be uploaded. So that is how you can actually get monetized using this platform. So the good thing is that when you click the video, automatically you are monetized. Your video is monetized. So all you have to do is just to wait and see how many viewers you're going to get. So make sure you get more viewers. So the more you get viewers, the more you get paid. Okay, so let me show you the dashboard. So I'll click over this icon and click account overview. Just like I said, I created this as a new account. Okay, so let me just click it right here. So this is where your money is going to appear. So I just created this account today, so that's the reason why I'm not having any earning. So you can see this is where you're going to see your earning. All right, this is where you're going to see your earning. All right, so that is just it. So thank you very much guys, as I upload more videos on this channel.